Hello everyone, my name is Sonal. Welcome to business analysis demo session. I've been a business analyst for 6+ years now. I started my business analysis career in India, worked there for a couple of years, and then my project and my client moved to the US. And for a business analyst, it's very important that they stay in close touch, constant touch with the business owners or the stakeholders. Generally, face-to-face interaction in this scenario is the richest mode of communication. This picture here really sums up very well the crucial role a business analyst plays in a project. The BA acts as a bridge between business stakeholders and the development team. And as you can, if you compare the first picture to the last picture, you will know if a business analyst messes up or doesn't get the requirement right, what was expected and what finally comes through. They are two entirely different things. So in lesson 1, these are the topics that we're going to cover, and by the end of this unit, these are some of the things that you will understand about business analysis. Now, what is business analysis? Let's start there. Business analysis is the set of tasks and techniques used to work as a liaison among stakeholders in order to understand the structure, policies, operations of an organization, and very importantly, to recommend solutions that enable the organization to achieve its goals. Now, business analysis and projects. Business analysis in real life is conducted to provide inputs to a project. One more very important thing that I would like to point out for a business analyst is there are 6 top traits. 1, they are engaging. They are not easily ruffled by conflict. They are multidisciplined. They are inquisitive. They really want to know everything that they can find out about the details of the project. They are action oriented and they think and act strategically. And finally, they care about the detail. Every detail that they can pick up about the project, they would like to understand and document it. Very important for a business analyst. Now, what is a project? Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Now, this definition comes from Pimberg, the Project Management Book of Knowledge. The two important things from this definition are temporary and unique. The project has to be temporary, which means it has to be a special case activity rather than an everyday business process. 2, it has to be unique. It has to create something, a good or a service that is unique. Now, project management has 2 different perspectives. It has 2 different sides of it. One is the project management perspective, and the second one is the systems development life cycle. It is also known as a software development life cycle perspective. So in the first perspective is from a project management point of view. It visualizes the project as management functions. And the second one, the SDLC perspective, here the project is visualized in phases or a series of actions. Now, for a good business analyst, it is very important to have a unified picture of both the perspectives. Now, every organization will have a customized SDLC and project management, SDLC and project management processes. So for every project that you join, every organization that you go to, there are specific perspectives that you need to understand, but a high level of understanding of both of them will be very helpful. Now, sometimes people get mixed up roles of a BA and a PM, a business analyst and a project manager. In a project life cycle, the business analyst is heavily loaded in the initial phases, which is the starting of the project, and during the UAT or the user acceptance testing phase, while the PM, the project manager, is in the control mode throughout the life cycle of the project. This is one of the main difference here. Now, on the responsibilities, the BA has distinct set of responsibilities. He's responsible for the scope of the product and the process analysis. Process analysis is defined as is and to be states of business. As is meaning where the business is right now and where the stakeholders want to take it. Now, the product scope creep. During the life cycle of a project, the business becomes aware of new requirements. They realize that there are some new requirements that they would add to a project, and this results in scope increment. It is also known as scope creep. Now, the BA must be very attentive of scope creep. It may affect the overall health of the project. Now, what is scope creep? It can be any increment in the project. Now, to contain scope creep, the requirements must be tied to the requirement matrix, capacity, budget, and the schedule of the project. This is the business analysis value triangle. A business analyst adds value to a project in these terms: better visibility, better traceability, and accountability of requirements. Now, this picture here depicts a high-level business analysis process. In the future sessions, we'll be discussing all of this in greater detail, and we'll understand what each term means and how the flow works. So, thank you so much for attending this session, and I hope to see you very soon in the upcoming sessions.